Hello viewers, today for the unboxing we have some more telephones. I don't recall what set this is, so this is as much of a mystery as it is. Actually, it's more of a mystery for me because you're looking at the title, so you know what it is. I don't know what it is yet. This is going to be the Uniden DECT2085-2W. This is the white set. Everything seems to be acceptably packed, at least. Very long phone cord. Okay. Open up these handsets. And let's see what we have here. Ironically enough, I just opened those up. So, there are no belt clips on these. They're a little bit yellowed, but they're not bad. A little dirty, but I don't see a whole lot of cosmetic wear on here, which is good. Oh, these look pretty nice. Cradle's a little dirty, and so is the base, but again, it looks like there's not a lot of wear on it. Some nicks there, but we could probably get that off. Oh, that's not even like really stuck on there too bad. Huh. Okay. That looks pretty good. This was made in the Vietnam, not the China. See what kind of batteries we have in here. We have replacement batteries, Fenzer, nickel cadmium. That's really odd. I've never seen these little packs be nickel cadmium before. And this must have been a really cheap battery, because these originally would have been 650 milliamps of nickel metal hydride. And these are a fraction of that in the cheaper chemistry. And this is more typical. This is the 1000 milliamps in the nickel metal hydride. But this is unbranded. When it comes to these telephones, I tend to like the nickel cadmium. They just seem to hold up longer. So, anyways, I wish these had the original batteries, then we could know what year these was from, but I just don't know. And I have to wonder if they were replaced, you know, one of them quit and then they replaced the other one, quit and they replaced, or if they replaced both and then one of the batteries quits, they replaced it, who knows. These were pretty good with the batteries too. They lasted a long time in these, so I'm kind of surprised to see replacements. But anyways, we'll get these plugged up and see if either of those batteries charge. Don't really care because they're not the originals, but it'll just be a item of curiosity to see which lasted longer.